Tim, Steve, Joe's, Oliver, Lily, well, it's time to be happy because you can arrive at parties together. Joe's doesn't need to get his scooter to ferry kids and Tim doesn't need the bike. To make all your lives easy, presenting the grand van. The front forms Japanese face of sorts, but lacks the subtlety and emotional quotient. The space is ample. It is practically engineered car. However, windows that do not roll down and the absence of AC vents for the second row seats are quite important things that are hard to be overlooked. Overall, the styling has been kept simple and space has been aggressively carved out. About 10 cup holders make the car perfect for loads of people on board. Just how much it is practical from inside, it is impractical from outside and unsuited to the concept of urban mobility, a bane for those who have parking woes. Well, the Evalia is so massive that it's literally dwarfing me. Sorry Tim, Steve, Joe's and family for I raised your expectations because this car is best reserved for the grocery man. However, when I caught up with Mr. GM Singh, Vice Chairman and MD, Hover Automotive India, National Sales Company to Nissan India, he had an interesting opinion. Were my reservations put to rest? Check this out.
Well, we expect that it would be received very well by our consumers in the market, and it will create its own segment. As we mentioned, that it's a new class of urban utility vehicle.
Talking about the design, it's this little boxy kind of a design, which is something that probably doesn't go too well with the Indian consumer. That's what my personal feel is. So you're competing with the Innova, which is like a bit cab-forward design, and consumer buys with an eye. You think this is something you'll fall in love with at your first sight?
Well, I think if you look at the overall look of the product, look at the features, look at the space, look at the utility features that we have given. I won't say that it is going to compete with any other brand or model of any other brand. I would say that this is something that Indian customer was looking for affordable price. So that's what we have provided at this point of time. And especially look at the mileage that we have given. 19.33, which is not available in all those models that you just mentioned.
Do you think this is one product in which the functionality dominates form?
Well, functionality as well as the fuel efficiency, space, the comfortness,